Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn Excel tricks which will help us to improve our skills and enhance our job knowledge. So keep watching the video till end because this is the most important session with regards to know advanced Excel skills. And if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell notification so you are keep connected with us. So let's start the session. So if we want to copy the data in particular cell and we did not need to use it copy and paste. So if we need to paste it on the right side, what we need to do is we need to click on the selected cell. Control plus R will help us to copy it the right. The same data we need to follow and paste in the left cell. Now how we can paste it? To paste on the right side, we need to select the right side, the cell, then we need to press Alt H F I L. Now you can see the data is pasted on the right side. If we need to write multiple data in a particular cell, how we can write it? For example, I am typing the name 1. Kumar. Then I will enter Alt plus enter. Now I will type the second name 2. Steve, and then once again I will click on Alt plus enter. Now this time I will type the Lee. Now you can see I will press enter, then the three datas in a particular cell. This is the easiest way you can write down the multiple data in a particular cell. Now how we can check the week number of a particular date? It's very simple. You need to type is equal to, then type week, then type NUM, then bracket open. Select the cell which you need to know that which week number is and close the bracket. And after pressing enter, you can see the first week of January is first. If I will drag it, now you can see all the week numbers is appear for us. If someone asks the question that we did not need to use merge and center cell and we need to center the date over here in the center of these two columns, how we can do it? You just need to select the area and right click on it and select format cell, then click alignment, then on horizontally you need to select center across selection and press OK. Now you can see the date is on the center of both the cells. For example, we need to insert emojis in Excel file. What we need to do is Alt plus 1 key, then you can see the emojis. Once again I will press Alt plus 2, then another emojis appear. Alt plus 3, then another Alt plus 4, Alt plus 5, Alt plus 6, Alt plus 7, Alt plus 8, Alt plus 9. And if we need to produce emojis in a particular cell and we need to make all the emojis in a particular cell, what we need to do is Alt plus A, Alt plus 1, then we need to press Alt enter, then Alt 2, then Alt enter, and then Alt 3. Same process as we go, it will be do for us. If I will press enter, you can see all the emojis appear in a particular cell. For example, we need to copy a same data in all the cells, but it will take too much time if we will do copy and paste. So what we will do, we will select all the cells and then we will type, for example, my name of channel Learn Technical then press Ctrl plus Enter. You can see all the cells have been copied the same data. For example, we need to convert the data in a uppercase and we have a lot of data. So how we can do it? I will just type is equal to, then type upper and then bracket open, then give the cell reference and close the bracket and close the bracket. Now you can see all of my data have been converted in uppercase. For example, we need to take highest cost of the product is. Now what we need to do is we need to is equal to, then type large and then bracket open and then give the error and select the cell where we need to check it and then comma. If we want the highest value, then we will press 1. If we want second highest, then we will press 2 instead of 1 and close the bracket. Now you can see the highest value have been came for us and it will help us. Same as if you need to know the lowest value of the product is, what you need to do is equal to small, then once again bracket open and then select the range where you need to check the smallest value, then comma. If you want to know the smallest value, then you need to press then 1. If you need a value which is smaller than first value, then you need to press 2. For example, I will take in 1, so most and close the bracket. Now you can see the smallest value is appear in front of us. So this is all about today's session. I hope that you will like this session. If you like it, please share it with your friend and thank you.